Hello again, I'm Dr. Talio Morris. If your daily diet includes refined sugar, white flour, or highly processed foods, I want you to know something, and I say this with deep care and decades of experience. You may be creating the ideal environment for cancer to grow. It's a hard truth, but it's one we need to talk about, especially as we age. Over the years, research has become increasingly clear. Cancer is deeply connected to what we eat. And just as certain foods can feed it, others can help fight it. I'll share with you 16 powerful foods have been shown to support your body in preventing cancer whilst strengthening your health. The foods I personally recommend to my patients, and I believe they deserve a place in your kitchen, not just because of what they prevent, and to kind how they might feel. Stick with you through this late, especially food number 10. We'll share a little-known secret that can boost its anti-cancer power even further. Let's dive in. Furthermore, quinoa, the complete plant protein. First up is one of the most underrated greens out there, quinoa. Little bite-size. This tiny seed backs a series punch. Quinoa is rich in both protein and fiber, which means it anti-cancer muscles flour or ancestral healthy. But sets and power its antioxidant counter. Compounds that protect your cell from damage that could lead to cancer over time. Unlike most plant-based foods, quinoa is what we call a complete protein, meaning contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. That's rare in the plant world. That's one reason I often suggest quinoa as the replacement for white rice, despite the people trying to reduce inflammation and balance blood sugar, both important factors in cancer prevention. It's also naturally gluten-free, and being 100% whole grain, it keeps you full longer, supports your memory, and nourishes your nervous system. So if you're looking to make just one easy, meaningful swap in your meals, quinoa is an excellent place to start. Food number 2, green tea, detox and defense. Next in our list is something many of you may already enjoy, green tea. This simple drink is one of nature's most powerful allies when it comes to preventing disease, especially cancer. Green tea is packed with catechins, a type of antioxidant that not only protects yourself but also boosts your immune system and supports your body's natural detox process. Regular green tea drinkers have shown lower risks for several cancers including prostate, colon, stomach, breast, lung, ovarian, and bladder cancer. I often encourage my patients to start their morning with a 1 cup of green tea, not only for its health benefits, but also for the sense of calm and ritual it brings. It's also worth noting that green tea may help protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Here's one important note. If you're drinking green tea, try to avoid having it right alongside iron-rich foods, like leafy greens or red meat. That's because some of its natural compounds can interfere with your body's ability to absorb iron properly. Spacing top by at least an hour is a simple way to enjoy the benefits of both. We've only just begun, and already these first 2 foods are showing us how much powerful nutrition can do. And there are 14 moose foods can do way, each one neat benefits your body and your bones. In the next part, what's world more surprising ingredients. Louis one that out your body for information, and another that boosts solar power in a multiple way. Howing, food number 10 counts with a tip, I don't want you move. In part 1, we explore the powerful benefits of quinoa and green tea and how these simple foods can help your body stay strong and resilient. Today, we're going even deeper. Let's look at 5 more foods that not only nourish your body, but also help protect it against cancer. Naturally, some of them might already be in your kitchen. Food number 3, turmeric, the golden root of healing. Number 3 on our list is one of my personal favorites, turmeric, also known as golden root or curcuma. This bright orange spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science is catching up, confirming what many cultures have known all along. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. What makes it so remarkable is that curcumin can actually interfere with tumor development by blocking formation of new blood vessels that would otherwise feed cancer cells. In other words, it helps slow the spread of tumors before they grow. Turmeric has shown promise in supporting both the prevention and complementary treatment of cancers such as breast, prostate, colon, and skin cancer. Now here's a tip I have patients. Try turmeric water it pair it with a pinch of black pepper. That pair contains a much turmeric or by green, with both the cures of survival 1,000 thing. It's a simple but powerful combination. Food number 4. Carrots for immunity and self-protection. Next up, carrots. More than just a crunchy snack, carrots are packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from DNA damage with the root causes of cancer. Carrots support your immune system up and we recognize and eliminate potentially harmful cells early on. I often recommend fresh carrot juice to patients as a quick and easy way to load up on nutrients. Especially for those with busy minds, carrot draws a high in fiber, which supports healthy digestion and promotes a diverse, well-balanced gut microbiome, both ease UIs and purges in the engine. And leads happy games. Brown rice keeps its flesh eats Saturday it better, smay oges, and zora digestion. At Remufeg, even the tie in eats. Round rice keeps its fiber-rich outer layer, making it better for your digestion and more effective removing toxin from your body. This matters because toxins left in digested tract can increase your risk of colon cancer. One tip I always share: before cooking brown rice, soak it for a few hours. This reduces a compound called phytic acid which can interfere with the absorption of some minerals. It makes it easier to digest. Brown rice helps regulate cholesterol levels, which reduces the risk of stroke and heart attack, key concerns of we age. So if you're eating brown rice every day, this might be the easier sort for the biggest payoff for your health. Number 6 is one you may already be eating for breakfast. And if not, it's time to start. Oats. Oats and soluble fiber, which supports a healthy gut, as sweep out toxins that can kill the intestines. That's a major factor in colon cancer prevention. They also bring bush orifice, which is important as insulin has been linked to increased risk of breast and pancreatic cancers. I often recommend around 30 grams of oats a day, about a third of a cup dry, ideally eaten in the morning. This provides plenty of fiber, antioxidants, and micronutrients without adding too many calories. Whether you prefer them hot, cold, or blended into a smoothie, oats are the most practical protective foods you can eat. Let's move on to number 7, a humble fruit that most people already have at home, the lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system and helps your body detoxify naturally, especially through the liver, which plays a critical role in clearing out toxins. One of the simplest and most effective habits I recommend is to start your morning with a glass of warm water and fresh lemon juice. It stimulates digestion, supports nutrient absorption, and gives all the extra boost it needs to stay efficient. Oating is so ritual in the juice sources of literally nonsense, including liver cancer, and support your health and energy. We've covered 7 incredible foods so far, and each one offers something unique to protect your body and strengthen your resilience against disease. But we're not done yet. In the next part of this video, we'll explore more foods that may help your body repair damaged cells, reduce inflammation, and support long-term wellness. So far, we've explored 7 powerful foods that can help your body stay resilient and even defend itself against a variant of cancer. Now, let's continue our journey with 4 more science-backed foods that are easy to include in your day and can quietly work behind the scenes to support your long-term health. Number 8, Ageless, is one of the most underrated superfoods out there. Flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, the kind of healthy fat that helps reduce inflammation throughout your body. Why is that important? Because chronic inflammation has been linked to the development of many types of cancer. Reducing it is one of the best things you can do to protect yourself. I usually recommend about 20 grams a day, that's roughly 2 tablespoons. But here's the key: always grind them fresh before eating. Old flax seeds tend to pass right through the body, but once they ground, your body can absorb the nutrients much more efficiently. You can sprinkle them into smoothies, stir them into yogurt, or even add them to carrot juice, which we talked about earlier. They're simple, versatile, and pack a quiet punch for your health. Next up, number 9. A grain that's been around for thousands of years but is still new to many kitchens today. Amaranth. Amaranth is rich in polyphenols, a type of antioxidant that helps prevent cell damage, which can lead to tumor development. But what makes amaranth truly special is a compound called squalene. Squalene has been studied for its anti-cancer properties, effectively to enhance tumor growth and protect against breast and skin cancers. It's a gentle but powerful protector. So hand it lead. I've introduced my patient to how 40 grams or a 3/4 cup into soups, salad, or into a bath for warm green bowls. It's satisfying, gluten-free, and a wonderful addition to a cancer-conscious diet. Now we've arrived at food number 10, and it's one of the most potent healing foods on the planet, garlic. Garlic is well known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, but it's also been shown to help prevent the growth of cancer cells. It supports your immune system, reduces inflammation, and helps detoxify your body at the cellular level. But here's something most people don't know. To get garlic's full benefits, you need to prepare it the right way. Before eating, crush or finely chop the garlic and then let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This waiting time allows an active compound called allicin to fully develop. Allicin is responsible for many of garlic's anti-cancer, antimicrobial, and antioxidant effects. The best way to consume it: raw, after resting. Add it to dressings, dips, or sprinkle over cooked vegetables. It's a small ritual that can make a big difference. Number 11 brings us to a group of delicious fruits I always encourage my patients to enjoy. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberry. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, quercetin, anthocyanins, especially ellagic acid, all powerful antioxidants that fuel healthy cells and help in DA diet. Ellagic acid in particular is impressive because it's been shown to trigger the death of cancer cells while leaving healthy cells intact. I recommend eating berries whole rather than in juices, so you get the added benefit of dietary fiber, which supports digestion then helps eliminate waste from your body. And as we've discussed, a healthy gut plays a key role in reducing the risk of colon and digestive cancers. So if you're adding them to your oatmeal, blending a midge smoothie, or enjoying them as a snack, berries are a gift from nature that supports your health on many levels. That brings us to the end of part 3, and I hope you're starting to see just how much power there is in the food you choose every day. In part 4, what are the 5 foods cancer fighting with? I'll share some easy ways to combine them for thy meals, so you're not just laying that living this wisdom. Velton Nihulen Vergui, Duke Vitlan Winvan Mo Chunksam, there to Milko, Conte Dori Kumching Sewer, Content Moki Toot now. If this video has helped you so far, feel free to leave a comment. What's your favorite way to eat berries? Or have you tried grating flax seeds before? Let's keep the conversation going, and I'll see you soon in that pot. You me's for I want to say tempt you. Not just to watching, but for taking real steps toward caring for your health. In this final part, we're into the last 5 foods of 16 path cancer-fighting ingredients. These foods support your body from the inside out, by keeping inflammation low, your digestion steady, and your immune system strong. Let's fast strong together. For down all the staple of working for a patient. Lentils. Lentils are rich in plant-based protein fiber, which help manage cholesterol levels and keep your digestive system working smoothly. One of the unique benefits of lentils is how they slow down digestion, which helps you feel fuller for longer and supports healthy weight management, an important factor in reducing cancer risk. I love lentils because they're easy to prepare, budget-friendly, and deeply nourishing for your gut, which plays a central role in preventing colon cancer. A small bowl of warm lentil soup. That's a powerful act of care for your body. Number 13's one you may not eat often. Deserves your attention. Lima beans. Lima beans are high in fire, plant protein, and iron, are essential nutrients for older adults. They help stabilize blood sugar, which reduces inflammation, a key driver in the development of cancer. When your blood sugar is too high for too long, the body becomes inflamed, but foods like lima beans can bring that balance back. They'll prune anemia and reduce bloating, both concerns and adrenal. I recommend adding them to soups, grain balls, or either cold bean salad. Next, let's talk about soy, but with an important note. Not all soy is created equal. I always advise choosing organic and fermented soy like tofu, tempeh, or miso. Soy contains phytoestrogens, natural plant compounds that help balance hormones, particularly useful in protecting against hormone-related cancers like breast cancer. Fermented soy also supports gut health and helps lower cholesterol and triglycerides, reducing or triglycerides. It's all about quality. When consumed mindfully, soy can be a smart and supportive addition to your diet. Number 15 on my list is a humble kitchen staple, the onion. Onions are packed with quercetin, a strong antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and fight inflammation. The base sumo to garlic in terms of health benefits, and I always recommend eating a raw whenever possible, for example, add to salads or fish dips. Prolonged cooking can reduce some of their active compounds, so even a small amount of raw onion can go a long way. Onions have been linked to lower risk of stomach, colon, and prostate cancers. They help lower bad cholesterol and strengthen the immune system, supporting everything from allergy relief to better respiratory health. And finally, number 15. Medicinal mushrooms like shiitake, maitake, and king oyster mushrooms. These fungi are not only delicious, they're incredibly beneficial for your immune system. They contain a special type of soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol, and they're rich in potassium, which supports heart health by lowering blood pressure and stabilizing your heartbeat. But here's where it gets really interesting. These mushrooms have been shown to stimulate immune cells, the very cells your body uses to identify and avoid tumor cells. Just one important reminder, only consume mushrooms from trusted sources, never wild varieties unless certified safe, and unless cooked them lightly to aid digestion and nutrient absorption. Add them to stir-fry, soups, or omelette, a whole daily dose for beak protection. Now I've got the full list. Sisum from somebody who thank you for. Some of these might be part of your routine. Others may be new. Varelawa is not about being perfect. It's about making small, steady changes that support your health in the long run. I'd like to know, which of these foods do you want to eat? Were there any surprised you? Let me know in the comments. York these can inspire some else community. If this was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and share with someone you can bet. Helping us take better care of themselves in the beautiful act of love. Thank you for staying the tongue with me. Until next time, remember, taking care of your body is one of the greatest investments you'll ever make. Be well. I'll see you. Thank you.